Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to be installing this bubble foil insulation on my daughter and son's wall. And this is the product, Resisto, I guess it's called. So sit back, relax, and we're going to get into it. So this roll here is 120 feet long by 4 feet wide. So we'll see if we can muscle it into place. So you can see I'm leaving some at the bottom because I want to tuck it behind the skirting of the house. Not sure how this is going to work. If any of you have ever used this product, let me know if it actually works. I've seen videos on YouTube and they rant and rave about it, so maybe it will. It's pretty easy to work with. It's kind of just like tinfoil. But yeah, I'm curious to see how it performs. And hey, check it out. I got the Crazy Creek sweater on. Ran out of staples. So I'm actually stapling this into strapping. There's actually strapping behind here. Just one glass in. Seems to be on a bit of an angle, but that's gonna get tucked behind the skirting anyway, so I'm just gonna keep going. Are you thinking about me tonight? Be easier if I had more hands. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show all my feelings. Are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. So this roll itself costed me about $160 plus tax. So hope it's worth it. You know, being off grid, a lot of the times it's trial and error to figure out what works. Like over here, there's a lot of heaving, so you can't typically build with piles unless you're going down like 6 feet. So here I'll show you the heaving. That step there used to be flat. Now the soil under the rock is extra squishy. So that's just something we have to deal with up here. All right, let's get back at it. Like I said in another video, it's mind-boggling because we have wall, 6 inches of spray foam, and then siding, and now 2 layers of Tyvek, and this, plus more siding. So if this doesn't cure the frost that comes on the bottom of the wall next winter, then it's beyond me. If you guys ever had problems with frost on your interior wall, let me know what you did. Did you fix it from the inside or from the outside? All right, last layer, I'm gonna have to grab the ladder and
and we'll be done with this.
Paradise, goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise, paradise. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise.
I need a larger staple gun that holds more staples. Oh, load it up now. Setting up a ladder on a sheet of ice is not the way to go. Don't do that, guys. But I'm crazy, so here we go. Oh, we're slowly getting there. It's just a few more feet. All right, last few staples, guys, and we're done. All right, guys, that's it. The whole wall's done. Didn't take long, half an hour, but we'll see how it works. I heard raving reviews, how people use this on cabin floors without any insulation, just staple this down and then put the subfloor down. So we'll see. So let me know in the comments below if you think this will solve the problem. Otherwise, stay safe, stay warm, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.